In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to accept a friend request on Minecraft PlayStation 4 cross-platform. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure that you've properly received the friend request. Whoever is sending you the friend request must go over to the Friends tab after they select Play on the Minecraft home screen, add friend, and then input the corresponding gamer tag. You can also do this on your PlayStation if you'd like, but if you only want to confirm and accept a friend request you've received, if you don't want to send one, what you have to do is on your computer or your phone, you need to go to the Xbox website and log into the Microsoft account that you use to play Minecraft. Over at the account.xbox.com website, you can go over to your profile at the top of the screen, and within your profile, you will be able to see all the friend requests you've received on the right side of the screen. If you are sure that you have received a friend request inside of Minecraft, you will be able to see it listed under here. But like I said, if you haven't received a friend request, make sure that your friend sends one to you, or you send one to them over here at the Friends tab. Regardless, accept it over at the Xbox website and not at the Minecraft app itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to accept a friend request on Minecraft on the PlayStation 4 cross-platform. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.